Okay, adding and subtracting rational expressions is what I'm going to go over today. It's a lot more difficult than multiplying and dividing. The reason is the same rule as with fractions. Your denominators have to be the same. So if I have 1/2 plus 3/5, these denominators are not the same, so I can't add these together. Which means I need to find the lowest common denominator, which for 2 and 5 would be 10. So what I do is I set it up like this. What did I need to do to 2 to get to 10? I multiplied it by 5. So since I multiplied that by 5, I need to multiply the numerator by 5. So 1 times 5 is going to give me 5. What did I do to this? To get to 10, I multiplied by 2. So I need to multiply the numerator by 2, which 3 times 2 is going to give me 6. Now that they're the same, I can combine the numerators. So 5 plus 6 is 11, and that's the answer. The same thing's true on rational expressions. You have to find a common denominator. So if I have something like this, what I like to do is I like to make a table. I say first has, second has, both have, lowest common denominator. Okay? So if there's something that they both have, it goes here. I only have to write each thing once. So the first one has x plus 2. The second one has x plus 3. They both have nothing in common. So the least common denominator is going to be x plus 2 times x plus 3. I've got to multiply those two guys together. So I'm gonna write it just like I did the other one. X plus 2 times x plus 3 for each of my denominators. They go like this. And then I need to look at what I need to multiply the numerator by. So I'm going to look at this. What did I multiply this by to get here? I multiplied it by x plus 3. So I need to multiply this by x plus 3. Which if I expand those out, it's going to give me x squared plus 4x plus 3. I look at this one. What did I multiply this by to get here? I multiplied it by x plus 2. So I need to multiply the numerator by x plus 2. Which when I distribute that, it's going to give me x squared plus 2x. Now I combine like terms. I have an x squared, I have another x squared, that's 2x squared. I have 4x, I have another 2x, that's 6x. I have a 3 and I don't have anything else, so that's a 3. If I can simplify this by factoring it out, I want to, because I want to cancel anything on the denominator out that I can. I can't actually factor this, so I'm done at this point, except for I need to expand my denominator. So the final answer is going to be 2x squared plus 6x plus 3 over, and when I expand this, it's going to be x squared plus 5x plus 6. This is the final answer for simplifying that guy. Subtracting is the exact same, except for that you need to remember to distribute the subtraction sign to your numerator when you're doing it. So if I have something like 2x minus 3 over 4x minus 7 plus 2x minus 3 over x squared minus 9. I need to look at these. I'm going to actually factor this guy out just in case something that shows up in it shows up in the other one. Or if I can cancel anything out. I can't cancel anything out. Nothing shows up over here. So the first one has 4x minus 7. The second one has x plus 3, x minus 3. They both have nothing in common. So the final needs to have 4x minus 7, x plus 3, x minus 3. It needs all of these parts, okay? So I'm going to look at it and say 4x minus 7, x plus 3, x minus 3, plus 4x minus 7, x plus 3, x minus 3. I'm going to look at the numerator or the denominator and see what changed. Well, I multiplied it by x plus 3, x minus 3, which is really x squared minus 9. I know that because that's where I got the x plus 3, x minus 3 from. Now I'm going to distribute these two. It's going to give me 2x to the third minus 9, 2x to the third minus 18x minus 3x squared plus 27 minus 3x squared minus 18x plus 27. Now I look at this one. What did I change from here to get to here? I multiplied it by 4x minus 7. So I need to multiply this by 4x minus 7, which is going to give me 8x squared minus 26x plus 21. Now I'm going to combine the like terms. 2x to the third doesn't have a like term. Negative 3x squared plus 8x squared is going to be plus 5x squared. Negative 18x plus negative 26x is going to be negative 44x. Plus 27 plus 21 is going to be plus 48. All over 4x minus 7 times, and I'm going to put these two back together, x squared minus 9, because remember I have to distribute those. So this is going to become, numerator is going to stay the same. You're not going to be able to simplify anything. They'll be really obvious when you can. Distribute this out is going to give me 4x to the third minus 36x minus 7x squared plus 63. So 4x to the third minus 36. Yeah, I got to put it in standard form. Minus 7x squared minus 36x plus 63. And that's your final answer right there. Subtraction really the exact same. You just got to, when you're doing it right here, you got to subtract everything in this second fraction. And that's it.